My name is Michael Gross, and welcome to my Eating for Energy course. These days, no matter what your profession is, your work habits are pretty much the same. Most everyone works long hours and gets too little sleep. This culture of busyness that has infected every aspect of our lives has had a profound effect on our energy levels. People everywhere are feeling constantly fatigued. It's gotten to the point that fatigue has literally become the norm. If you feel that you're not as energetic as you used to be, or even as you should be, then this course will be beneficial for you. The goal of the course is to teach you how to eat in a manner that will maximize your energy and counteract some of the negative side effects of a busy schedule.
So, why are we so tired? There are many reasons why you may be feeling tired. For many people, the main culprit could be something unavoidable, like age. As people get older, especially after they reach middle age, they can start to feel more fatigued or run down than they did when they were younger. Not everyone feels this way, but for the ones that do, it can be detrimental to their quality of life. For others, it can be seasonal or psychological issues, like seasonal affective disorder or depression. Often fatigue associated with these issues is temporary and can be reduced with time. Lifestyle is likely one of the leading causes of fatigue for most adults. How much sleep you get, how often you exercise, and what kind of food you eat are major contributors to your overall energy level. Regardless of the reason for your fatigue, improving your nutrition to maximize your energy level can have a legitimate, measurable, and repeatable benefit on your quality of life. As a side note, I want to mention that for some people, fatigue can be a symptom of a more serious illness, such as diabetes, heart disease, or sleep apnea. If this is the case, changing your nutrition will still have a benefit, but following the advice of your healthcare professional is the most important thing.